Hi, this is the Mechanizer. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a short review of an unofficial add-on for the SNAA Knights of the Round series. Now, when you think about a knight, what do they need? A sword? A shield? Or a cape? Of course, knights need capes. So today we're adding a handmade cloth cape made by Swift Wind Crane to our knight. I actually have 3 capes here, made for the 3 knights that released so far: Iron Sickle, Percival, and Tristan. But for this video, we'll be focusing on Tristan. Tristan is actually my favorite among the SNAA Knights so far. The design looks really clean, and I think a cloth cape makes it look even better. Now, installing this cape isn't completely straightforward, because it's not an official accessory from SNAA. At first, I tried fitting it directly onto the backpack mount, but it didn't work. So, what I'm going to do is make a small hole in the cape so it can attach to the connector on the backpack. First, I'll carefully mark and start the cut where the hole should be using my X-Acto knife. Then I'll slowly widen the cut just enough so the connector can pass through. And of course, please be very careful when using this type of blade. Once the hole is ready, we can place the cape onto the mounting point. And as you can see, it fits perfectly now without any problems. Now, let's check out some poses and animation shots to see how the cape looks in action. Overall, I think this handmade cloth cape from Swift Wind Crane is a really nice upgrade for the SNAA Tristan. It adds a lot more character to the figure, and the wired edges make posing the cape much more fun and dynamic. It does require a small modification to install, but once it's attached, the result looks great and really enhances the knight aesthetic. If you're interested in this handmade cape by Swift Wind Crane, I'll include the product link in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you prefer the original transparent cape or the cloth cape upgrade? And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. I'll also be showing the capes for Percival and Iron Sickle in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.